Hello, and welcome to Wild Kingdom. I am your host. My name is Todd. We are in Utah for spring. Oh, spring, spring, spring. The birds returning have only a limited food supply, like berries from the mighty mountain ash, supplemented by the dry berries from the vine we like to call vines. Once gorged on these berries, the birds would take flight and nest themselves in a magnificent, majestic tree as this sycamore. And then the magic would happen. All together in synchronicity, they would stop and take an incredible dump all over my car. This is the world of the Wild Kingdom.